Hi, I'm Peter Duff, President and CEO of Adlib Software. Today I'd like to talk to you about Enterprise PDF and how that can actually solve real business problems. Organizations today are facing massive problems. Individuals are creating vast amounts of data faster than ever before. By 2015, every day 15 petabytes of new information and content is going to be created. What's contributing to this explosion? Well, by 2015, 3 billion people are going to be online, creating 8 zettabytes of data. Online web traffic is going to increase by 23 to 29%, and enterprise data will grow by 650%. This is a huge problem that organizations need to get a handle on. Organizations today are feeling like they're drowning in documents. In a few years, it's just going to get worse. Clearly, we have a massive problem. 35% of organizations face regulatory and compliance challenges, while a couple of years down the road, the number of files in an organization is going to increase by a factor of 75, while at the same time, the number of IT professionals will only grow by 1.5. How are they going to manage this growth of documents? So where are all these documents coming from? Organizations are getting more and more email every day. Content on the web is being created in the form of blogs and social media. Organizations have new document archival problems that they've never seen before. The change from paper processing of documents to electronic processing of documents means that there's new forms coming online every day. Organizations that deal with claims processing are looking at completely different ways of managing this content electronically through automated means and workflow. The ability to submit documents to the FDA in terms of submissions are growing and growing every year. All of these documents create problems for document management. Of course, the goal of document management is to ensure that organizations can search and store content, can collaborate, can have good processes, can submit to compliance, and have good security on their documents. The volumes that they're going to face are going to massively change how organizations need to address these issues. So how do we solve some of these problems? Part of the solution is clearly around PDF. PDF is a global ISO standard. It's software independent, so that means you can view it in different viewing platforms on any platform. It's secure and compliant and enables you to collaborate. Furthermore, it can be full text searchable. That means all of this content that needs to be stored and archived can easily be found later. In addition to that, it's platform and mobile agnostic, which means you can view it on any device. Of course, not all PDFs are created equally. Some PDFs don't represent the original content faithfully. Fonts can be missing, words can be missing, images can be incorrectly rendered. This creates a problem considering that you're going to need to rely on this content, store this content, and archive this content for many years, only to discover that in the future it may not actually represent the original document properly. Adlib creates the perfect PDF. We convert over 400 file types from their original format to PDF, preserving all the fonts, preserving the hyperlinks, images, and document layout to produce the highest fidelity output possible. In addition to that, our Adlib PDF Enterprise product integrates into enterprise content management solutions where all the documents reside, such as OpenText, Documentum, FileNet, and SharePoint. This integration allows Adlib to be seamlessly accessed from within these platforms and in fact shared across these platforms so that document-centric ECM processes can be automated and content can be faithfully archived, preserved, and published.